Do you know that the Mirena Coil is a convenient way to deliver a progestogen as part of the hormone replacement therapy? Hello, ladies. I'm Dr. Alba, AGP and menopause specialist working at the Imperial College. The Mirena Coil, a type of intrauterine device, it's traditionally known for its role in a long-term contraception because it delivers a progestogen called levonorgestrel. So why is the Mirena Coil used in HRT? For women with a uterus, it's essential to add a progestogen to the HRT treatment to protect the lining of the womb from the effects of the estrogen. This small T-shaped device is inserted into the uterus to release a low dose of levonorgestrel locally to the uterus. It provides an effective protection against the endometrial hyperplasia, a potential side effects of estrogen therapy. This means that women take estrogen therapy can do safely when they have a Mirena coil in place. Additionally, the Mirena coil can help with some troublesome symptoms caused by the menopausal transition, such as heavy menstrual bleeding. By reducing or eliminating these symptoms, it can significantly improve the quality of life for women passing to this transitional phase. Moreover, the Mirena Coil offers a long-term solution as it remains active for up to 5 years for HRT purpose. This reduces the need of taking regular medication, making HRT simpler and more convenient. It's important to remember that the Mirena Coil is suitable for many. However, it might not be the right choice for you. Speak with your healthcare provider, asking if the Mirena Coil might be used as the progestogen part of your HRT management. I hope it helps. Keep well.